Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I will be decorating my hearth room and dining nook, which includes me hanging this piece of art. I shared this art in one of my hauls, and if you haven't seen it, I'll be sure to include the video link in the description as well as on a card. So when I hang my pictures, I just take a piece of tape and I go across the back of the art. I literally just stick it on there and I get a marker and I mark the center of the hook. And that's what I use for my point A to point B. Then I'll take that tape, put it on the wall and make sure it's level, and it's just that simple. I do have a few videos that show how I hang my art as well as wall decor, so if you are interested, I will put a link in the description as well as a iCard. And I pretty much use these picture hangers to hang all of my art. Number one, you use the same thing all the time. You kind of develop a pattern or a way to hang your stuff. So that's why I use these. And they're pretty simple. So I use the same size ones because remember, you have a level line going all the way across. So you definitely want them to be the exact same size. Now we just remove the tape and hang the art. Now this piece of art is not heavy, it's just awkwardly shaped because it's so big. So I do recommend hanging it with two people, but because I'm home alone, yes, the fireman's wife, and I just decided to go ahead and hang it myself. And I, of course, with hanging things a lot on my own, I've developed my own method. And it works. So here it is on the wall, and we're just going to use a leveler to make sure it is level, and it was. Although it may seem to some that I enjoy hanging art, I actually don't. It's one of my least favorite things next to painting that I absolutely hate doing. But because I have to do it, I just made an easier way for painting as well as hanging art. So just going to go ahead and start decorating this space. I'm moving some things around because we need to combine those colors. So as you can see, I moved that silver ginger jar over to the dining nook area, and then I'm swapping out a couple of the silver pieces with some gold pieces just to balance that color in these two spaces. And I originally had those silver chains on the coffee table books, but I decided we needed some gold. And I'm going to swap these pillows around because I need to bring some gray over into that area, and I need to bring some gold over into the living room area. So that's what I'm doing, swapping these colors and pillows around just to balance the space. I I've had my YouTube channel for a little bit over a year now, and if you've been following me or watching my videos, you know that I've always mixed my metals. The key to mixing your metals is to use more than one of that particular metal in the space. I try to use 3 to keep your eye flowing as well as bring the colors together. And then I'm just going to add my chargers to the very center of the table because I'm not one of those who's for tablescapes. But we do use those chargers when we sit down and eat at this table. So I'm just going to create a pattern in the center of the table. That way, when you get ready for one, you just grab it from under the decor piece, use it. When you're done with it, wipe it down and put it right back under the decor piece. Just that simple. And the decor piece I chose for this table was pretty simple. Just a tray with a bowl and some metal chains and a couple of beads, all in black, gold, and silver. Keeping it simple. FYI, I'm still looking for 4 dining chairs for this area. I need them to be large. So since I don't have anything, we're just going to use this ottoman over here for now. Throw a blanket on it, and that's it. We're keeping it simple until we find those 4 chairs as well as a rug. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I am so in love with how these 2 rooms are tied together, especially with that art. It just pulled everything together, and I really love my home right now. I mean, I really love it. And I'll be sure to leave any links to any of the items in the area in the description for those of you who are interested. Most of the pillows either came from Home Goods, Rodeo Home, or maybe At Home. So I'll leave those if I have access to those as well. And if you notice this black ginger jar on the coffee table, it used to be a mustard yellow color. I got it from Home Goods, and I just spray painted it black using a satin finish, and this is how it turned out. All right, y'all, so we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate you all. And if you haven't already subscribed and you find yourself keep coming back to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. Thanks again for watching, and please stay to the end. This video is not too long, but I do have some closer up pictures of the space. So feel free to like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn that notification on. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.